guys, I hope you're all well and I hope you're okay. Make sure you click subscribe before watching this video. So first I'm just going to take a spoolie just to brush out the eyebrows, just to make sure there's no products left in there and to make sure that they're clean. And then I'm taking a small little white, like really fine brush that I got in a brow lamination kit, but I'm sure you can probably just find them online somewhere. I will try and link it down below. Just the fine hairs really to scrape through the eyebrows and make sure there's no product in there. And then I'm going to take a clean spoolie now, sprayed with setting spray to push up the brows, and the setting spray will then keep them in place where you want them to be. And just really push through it quite hard to make sure you get them exactly where you want them. And then taking a small angled brush and spraying some setting spray into my pomade and mixing it with the brush, and then I'm just going to draw a fine line directly underneath the eyebrow to get it to the exact shape that I want it to be. And as I said in the last one, I do like my eyebrows a little bit longer, which you don't have to do, it's just personal preference. This line is finer than what you would do if you were filling your brows out normally. And then I'm just going to turn the brush the other way at the end, just to flick it up a little bit, just to create the illusion of fake hairs, you know, at the end, so it doesn't look like you've just got a random line there. And then turn it back sideways and just keep brushing that from that line upwards, just to fill in where there's any sparse areas, any bald areas, and to connect that line to the eyebrows. You can do this with a pencil, with eyeshadow, with a pomade. You can literally use any brow product you've got, and it's super simple and easy. And you just get that natural look rather than the glued up laminated look. And again, turn the brush the other way if you want to brush up to create the hair illusion, and make sure you brush upwards, not sideways or downwards, so you keep them hairs up and not any other direction. Then take a brow gel or a brow mascara, just brush them up and it'll really fix them in place. Then I take a concealer just to line underneath to clean up any mistakes and to really brighten up that brow bone so that your eyebrows really stand out. This is perfect for correcting mistakes, especially if you're not light-handed. You can literally just draw them on however you want and clean them up with that concealer, and don't do it on top of as you'll ruin what you've just done. Then taking a small fluffy brush, and you can also use a flat brush just to blend out that concealer so that you've not got that harsh line. And then this is when I would usually do my eyeshadow, which you can check out in the video linked above. And then after I've done my eyeshadow, I would then do my base, which you can also check in the video linked above. And that is how I create a natural fluffy brow. Love to you all, and see you all in the next one.